stars look like they're not shining. Her hair falls perfectly without her trying. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Yeah, I know, when I compliment her, she won't believe me. And it's so sad to think that she don't see what I see. But every time she asks me, do I look okay, I say, when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change. 'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while. 'Cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. Yeah. Her lips, I could kiss them all day if she'd let me. Her laugh, she hates but I think it's so sexy. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Oh, you know, I'd never ask you to change. If perfect's what you're searching for, then just stay the same. So don't even bother asking if you look okay. You know I'll say, when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change. 'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are. There are times when I just want to look at your face, with the stars in the night. There are times when I just want to feel your embrace in a cold night. I just can't believe that you are mine now. You were just a dream. I just can't compare you with anything in this world. You're all I need to be forevermore. All those years, I want to hold you in my arms. And when you smile,
Hello everyone there! Greens here from Calgary. Actually, masarap yung Calgary, di ba? Na-try nyo na ba yun? Sorry, Cadbury pala yun. Ayun, I just want to say, sobrang lamig dito ngayon. And sobrang grabe. Dahil dun yun, no, sa aircon. Ayun, no. And then I just want to say, Happy Valentine's to you, Ate Feli. Hope you all the best. I wish you all the best. And stay beautiful. God bless you. Bye.